Hi, today's sentence is one that I heard one of my students say to another student in the class. I will arrive until 7 p.m. So this was one student telling the other student about the time that they would meet outside the class. But the sentence has a problem. Now the problem is this word, until. Until is used in situations when an action continues up to a future point in time. We can look at a couple of examples here. You have to wait until the end of the class to go to the bathroom. So in this situation, you're waiting, and then you can go. Lucy will study until sunrise tomorrow. Wow, that's all night, right? So study, and then the sun comes up. Now the word by is used in situations where we have a short action that will occur at or before a future point in time. So we have now, future, and sometime in between there will be one action. So not continuous. Let's look at a couple of examples. We must leave here by 11 p.m. to catch the plane. So when we leave, it's not continuous. It's not leaving. It's one action, right? We just leave. The next one, Tom will submit the document by 3 p.m. today. Again, this is one action. Tom submits one time, right? He doesn't submit. No, it's just once he submits. So the sentence, I will arrive until 7 p.m. No, because arriving is one thing you do, okay? Somebody's waiting and then the other person comes, they arrive. It's just once. So a better, or the correct sentence is, I will arrive by 7 p.m. This is the correct answer. Okay, that's all for today. I'll talk to you in the next video.